If you've ever smoked, had recurring coughs, or just breathe in polluted air every day, your lungs are probably holding on to more than you realize. That's why take Lignosus, a natural supplement made from tiger milk mushroom. It works in 4 ways: cleansing your airways, rejuvenating lung tissue, strengthening immunity, and protecting against future damage. Many people say within weeks they breathe easier, feel lighter in the chest, and clear out stubborn phlegm naturally. It's never too early to care for your lungs. Start your natural support with Lignosus now.